Hi guys, Squire DPT here. Behind me I have my 1993 Ford F-150. Yesterday I was at the supermarket and the thing wouldn't turn over, wouldn't do anything. Is it the battery, the solenoid, or the starter? That was the things that, from looking at other people's YouTube videos, people who are mechanics, they suggested those three things. And this is how everything transpired. Alright. So I put the key in the ignition, turned it over, nothing. No clicking, nothing. I figured, well, let me rack the gears and see if that makes a difference. Sorry for the shaking. And nothing. Another YouTuber said, turn the headlights on, make sure that it's not the battery. So it's not the battery. Battery's out. And I hit the starter a couple of times. They say that sometimes you hit it a couple of times and try turning it over and everything works great, but yeah, not this time. So next thing I'm going to try is jumping the solenoid. Alright, so the next thing I tried was jumping the solenoid, which and nothing happened. And then I moved it around a little bit. And I was like, I don't know. So what the problem was there was rust on my screwdriver. And once I got to a spot that didn't have rust on it, it made good contact and was able to start. So the assumption I'm making now is that the solenoid is shot. Gosh, I hope it's called the solenoid, but that's what I think it's called. And I'm going to change it out. All right. Okay, so it is 3:28 in the afternoon. So the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. And I hope I can do that with this set that I have. As you guys can tell, I have limited mechanical skills. So bear with me. And I hope that this all works. And this one is too long. Huh. Alright, not sure if this is going to work. Alright, where's that big screwdriver? I'm going to open these up a little bit. Okay, got that one off. And I got that one off, right? Okay, so the power's disconnected. I guess that's a plus. About ½ inch. Get this thing out of the way. So it goes in this way, right? So what I want to do is take that off. Pull these bad boys off. Make sure that they all go on kind of the way they came off, right? Now I know other mechanics as if I'm a mechanic. I know mechanics can look at these things and go, oh, that's a blah 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 bolt. But yeah, no, not me. Probably because I'm not a mechanic. So, the best I can do is look at things and go, well, I hope this is the right size. Ah. Well, that didn't work well, huh? Okay. I do have a reducer for this socket. Probably would have been a better idea to do that from the beginning, but, you know, live and learn. Well, it sucks that I broke that. Isn't it right here? Okay, so that's bolted in. This one only has one on it, so I want to take that off, pull this thing off, get that out of the way. Huh. Okay, so this is 9/16. I think I got a longer 9/16. Okay, good. Take this off. Alright, that's a little too snug. Alright, so that's everything back together. At least I hope it is. I probably should have wiped down the connectors and things like that to make it fit a little bit better so there's better contact, but I didn't. So, yeah, what are you going to do? Alright, there's that one. And that one. Again, I probably should have scraped down the battery terminals and cleaned all that up, but, you know. I guess that's the difference between being a mechanic and just trying to get the job done. Alright. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. Okay, let me go turn it over. Alright, so everything worked. It turned right over. Let's hope it stays that way. Alright, I hope you find this helpful. Hope you find it interesting. Have a great day. Okay, so the whole project went from 328 to 348. That was with me searching all over the house looking for the correct tools, really not knowing what I'm doing, but swapping that out took me 20 minutes. And I was able to do it thanks to other YouTube channels that helped me do this, and I really appreciate it. I'll try to give a link below to who those guys are, but okay. I hope that you're doing something fun. Hope you get off the couch, go out and just have a great day. All right, if you can hit the subscribe button below, I'd really appreciate it. All right, bye now.